Hi everyone, this is Rajdeep Banerjee. Thanks for subscribing to my channel and thanks for your love and support. Before we begin, I wanted to ask you, did you watch the video on the expressions with accord and accordance? If you haven't, please check that out. I'll put up a card over here. As the title and the thumbnail say, we are going to learn the expressions with account. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell button to stay updated. The first expression we're going to learn is on account. On account means in part payment. Say, she paid me 10,000 rupees on account. It means I didn't get my full salary. I was partially paid. She gave me 10,000 rupees and I haven't yet got my full payment. Okay. The next expression we're going to learn is by all accounts. By all accounts means according to reports. For example, by all accounts, Mohan is a good student. Well, it means that I might not know Mohan personally, I might not have taken his classes, but what his other teachers say is that he is a good student. So by all accounts, he is a good student. According to reports, he is a good student. Okay. Next up, call someone to account for. Call someone to account for means to make someone give an explanation for something. For example, the headmaster called the students to account for their actions. Okay. This one is pretty easy as well. The fourth expression for today is of little account or of no account. It means little or of no importance. For example, their excuses are of no account or of little account. The fifth expression for today is on no account. Remember, the previous one was of no account. This one is on no account. Okay? Don't get confused between these two expressions. On no account means under no circumstances. For example, on no account you can go there. Doesn't matter what the circumstances are, you cannot go there. The sixth expression for today is on account of. On account of means because of. Say, she's absent on account of illness. The seventh expression for today is on someone's account. It means for someone's sake. For example, maybe your friend wants to do something for you because you are absent. Maybe you are not there to take the class notes, probably. And you also do not want your friend to take the class notes for you. Maybe he or she wanted to bunk the class as well. And you do not want to take a favor from someone. So you told your friend that you must not do this on my account. That means, for my sake, you don't have to do this. The next expression we're going to learn is on one's own account. It means independently. Say, she left the partnership and started a business on her own account. That means she did it on her own, she didn't take anyone's help. The last expression for today is account for. It means to explain. For example, you must account for your mistakes. That means you have to explain why you have made these mistakes. Okay, these expressions are quite easy to understand. If you have any queries, you can always ask me. Put them in the comment section. I would gladly respond to each and every question you might have, as long as they are not personal. If you like the content of this video and want more videos of this sort, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated. Until next time, this is RB signing off.